But when I explain this, you'll understand. There's a Nagamanikyam, right? Heard about it? It's when a snakes have venom, right? And why they have venom? For protection. When the snake feels that it needs protection, then it is personal. It is itself. There's no trust or no surrender.
Right.
But when the snake feels, why should I have venom? I'm protected. Venom is just like a temptation
Right.
that you can be your mind.
Right. I understand.
Yeah. So when then that moment when the snake understands it is protected, it will not use the venom. So what will happen? It will concentrate on the venom, and it gets saturated, and it becomes a diamond.
Oh.
Yeah, it doesn't.
When the venom is not used up.
Not used, and also it's meditated on.
Oh.
So it's like the heat of the meditation, the thing, it becomes a saturated diamond, and it's precious than any diamonds. Now, when the snake uses its venom, it adds karma, then it has to come back. But when it does tapas, then it becomes enlightened, it goes back to where it came from. So, you do have venom to create karma, if you want. But if you install divinity in the heart center,
Yes,
correct.
so if the goddess is established as she will cool the
Not cool. Then you become that. Then the other things, it doesn't matter. You don't need protection. You don't need support. You don't need anything because everything you have. You have all those things. When we feel we need protection, that means we exist.
So you're self-supported now.
Absolutely. That is why snake has been given poison, and snake feels that it's an individual, then it will use the poison because it's afraid. The moment it knows I'm protected, why should I use anything? Then it liberates. Then liberation happens. That's the point. So that's a message for you. Right?